All right, we're going to take a look at this third problem here, and we're going to work through it in a very similar way. So first thing I notice is I've got congruence markers all along the side, and this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and triangle 1 up here. So I know that side's going to be 1, and then in turn, all of these all the way around are going to be 1. All right, so I'm going to start with triangle 1, and I've got 45, 45, 90, 1, 1, so this last side is 1 root 2. All right, now at that point I'm going to move to triangle 2. In triangle 2, I don't know this side, I'll call it A. All right, so I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. I've got 1 squared plus A squared. Oops, sorry. I've got 1 squared plus root 2 squared equals A squared. All right, that's 1 plus 2 or 3 equals A squared. So if I take the square root, A equals root 3. All right, so now that gives me this side. So now I'm going to move to triangle 3. In triangle 3, I've got a right triangle again. So I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus root 3 squared equals, I'll call it B this time, equals B squared. That's going to be 1 plus 3 or 4 equals B squared, so B is 2. All right, so now I've got a 2 on this side, and now I'm going to move into triangle 4. I've got sides of 2 and 1, so I've got 1 squared plus 2 squared equals, I'll call it X right now. So, can't call it X because X is already used, so I'm going to call it C. All right, and C is going to be the full length of this side. All right, so I've got 1 squared plus 2 squared equals C squared. That's 5 equals C squared. C equals root 5. All right, so that root 5 is the full length from way over here to way over here. All right, so I'm going to lean on a rule from the past. So I know if I have altitude to the hypotenuse in a right triangle, all right, and I have the 2 right markers here, all right, I can do that this side, I'll call it A. If this is B and the full length of the hypotenuse is C, A equals the square root of B times C. All right, so I'm going to lean on that. So I have a 2 for the leg, so 2 equals the square root. Directly under it I have X, and then the whole hypotenuse is root 5. I'm going to square both sides, so I get 4 equals X root 5. And then I'll divide both sides by root 5, and then I'm going to rationalize it by multiplying top and bottom by root 5. All right. If I do that, I end up with 4 root 5 over 5 equals X. All right, so our X value in this one is 4 root 5 over 5. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.